Hey, Salesforce administrators. I want to share something that we've been experimenting with as part of low code enhancements over here at Salytics. Something we tend to constantly see relating to admins is hardening security and user provisioning, where intaking many users across divisions can be tedious. Ensuring they get the right access in a flexible, scalable manner is super important. Now, we can make some custom Apex code to automate this process, but we're mindful of how much that can cost, not to mention maintaining it over time. So one way to make this easier is to set up automatic provisioning through user access policies. All we need to do is set up a user access field and then create the actual policy, which is on my screen. So for example, if I want to create a new user here, and we could do this through a data import data loader as well, I'm just going to set up a call center agent. We'll fill in some basic information here, and we'll use my email there. Okay. From there, if we scroll down, I've configured this custom field called access level. It's fairly intuitive. You could also think of this as a line of business or department access. If I select call centers, that's the provisioning that I want to occur, and then I hit save. In the background, the user access policy is then going to configure those permissions, and it's going to provision this user automatically. Now, these configurations are stored in user access policies and setup. It's completely clicks only, so it's no code. I've done a permission set in this case, so I grant this permission set, but you can also auto provision things like permission set groups, public groups, and a whole bunch of other things. So heading back to the call center user, if I refresh my screen as well, I just want to showcase that indeed the permission set gets applied there, which it did nicely. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it's a compact example of how you can use the Salesforce platform to streamline everyday challenges. It gives us the scalable method to provision incoming users with just a couple of clicks. There's even a built-in one-time batch, which I really find helpful if there's large volumes of users and you don't want to hit limits on the import. So I hope it sparks some ideas. Give it a shot and let me know what other features you found most helpful.